I make over $1,000 every month from AdSense alone for my creator, so he never has to show his face or use his own voice. In this video, I am going to show you how to create your own avatar just like me. One that looks realistic, can talk with perfect lip sync and natural body gestures, and can actually make you money. The best part, we are going to use a completely free tool to bring it to life. Without wasting time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is create your avatar image, and we are going to use ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting for us. Head over to ChatGPT and paste this exact prompt. You will find all the prompts used in Google Doc linked in the description below. What this prompt does is give the image generator very specific instructions: the age, ethnicity, skin tone, hair, eyes, lighting, and background, so that the result looks real and not like a cartoon. Once the image prompt is ready, copy it because we are going to use it in the next step. Step 2. Generating the base image. Now head over to Google Flow. This is completely free and gives you access to Nano Banana 2 at no cost whatsoever. Open Settings and make sure the image option is selected. Choose Square as the aspect and number of images per generation to 2. Paste your prompt in the one you copied from ChatGPT and hit Generate. What we are generating first is a base image, a clean, square portrait on a plain background. This base image is important because you will use it every single time to generate your avatar in different outfits and environments while keeping her face and features consistent. You will get 2 images, and I think this second one looks great and very realistic. Pick the best result and download it. Now, upload that base image back into Flow and use this second prompt. This puts her in a clean, modern room, seated and facing the camera. Make sure to change the aspect ratio to 16:9 if you want the avatar for long-form content, and 9:16 for vertical content like Shorts or TikTok. Then hit Generate. This is the version we are going to use for lip sync. Make sure the face is clear, the lighting is good, and she is looking straight at the camera. Now, if we take a closer look, our avatar is looking great, but we need to upscale it for sharper details and better quality before we can convert it into a video. The tool we are going to use is Wondershare UniConverter, and you can download it from the official website using the link in the description below. It is available on both Windows and Mac. Once you open it, click on Image Enhancer, then upload or drag your generated avatar and drop it in. It supports different formats, and you can batch enhance up to 200 images at the same time. And it does not only upscale images, it also upscales videos in different formats up to 4K output resolution. Once the image has been uploaded, turn on Auto Enhancer and choose Detail. Toggle off Face Enhancer and toggle on Image Upscaler. Upscale to 8K. Turn off Advanced Repair for now and hit Export. In a matter of seconds, your export is ready. And if you take a close look, you will see that your avatar has been scaled, and even when you zoom in, the details stay sharp, and that matters a lot when generating videos. Step 3. Making your avatar talk. Now that our avatar is ready, it is time to make it talk. For this, we are going to use HeyGen, and I will show you how to use it for free. Go to Google and search for HeyGen AI. Open it and log in with your account. The free plan gives you 3 generations per month up to 1 minute each, but I am going to show you how to generate long videos up to 3 minutes, and at the end, I will show you a trick for unlimited generations. Once you are in, look at the left side panel and click on Avatar, then choose Avatars. You will see 2 options. You can either upload a video recording of yourself to create an avatar that looks, moves, and talks exactly like you, or you can start from a photo. We are going to start from a photo. Click that option and upload the avatar image we just enhanced. Since I already have mine set up for my channel, I will go ahead and upload it so you can follow along. Before you proceed, make sure your image has clear facial details, good lighting, only one face in the frame, and the person must be looking directly into the camera. No glasses, no capes, or heavy accessories covering the face. Once you upload, give your avatar a name, select the gender and ethnicity, and hit Save. Your avatar now exists in the system, but she needs a voice. HeyGen gives you 2 options. You can choose from their built-in library of natural-sounding voices, or you can clone your own voice, and cloning your own voice is the better option. Either record yourself speaking for about 30 seconds and upload the sample, or upload an existing audio file. This can even be a voice you already generated in 11 Labs or Minimax Audio. Click Generate Voice, and HeyGen does the rest. You will get 3 preview options, listen through, and pick whichever one sounds best. That is it. Your avatar is now fully set up in the system with a face and a voice. Now click on AI Studio to start generating videos with your avatar and quickly go through the setup guide. For vertical content, maintain the portrait aspect ratio, but for long-form content, switch to horizontal. To lip-sync your avatar talking, you have two options. Either type your script directly and it will use your cloned voice, or upload your audio file directly, getting more out of the free plan. Now here is the part most people miss. HeyGen's free plan gives you only 3 generations per month, but there is a trick to make every single one count. Instead of wasting a generation on 7 seconds of audio, then another on 10 seconds, burning through your slots fast, do this instead. Convert your full script into one long audio file. Then upload it into CapCut and section it out, making sure each clip is close to 1 minute. Export each section as a separate audio file. Then upload each one as a separate generation in HeyGen. That is my exact strategy, 3 generations. Up to 3 minutes of avatar video, 0 waste. Once your transcript is ready, click Generate. Name your file, hit Submit, and the generation process will begin. In a few seconds, your video will be ready. Open it and click the download icon to save it to your device. Now pay close attention because we have a problem. To download the video, you will be required to upgrade your account. And that does not make any sense. How can they let you generate a video you cannot download? But do not worry. I have a solution for that. Click the 3 dots on the top right of your browser, hover over Extensions, and open the Chrome Web Store. Search for a video downloader and make sure you choose this exact one. Follow the instructions to install it and add it to Chrome. Once installed, pin it to your browser. Now, return to the tab with your generated video and refresh the page. That is it. Click on the Video Downloader extension, and you will now be able to download the video directly to your device. If you have been paying for AI tools every single month to generate videos, I am about to make you feel very annoyed about that. The avatar looks realistic, the body moves naturally with gestures as it speaks, and the lip sync is perfect. The only downside is that there is a watermark, but we are going to remove it right now. Return to Wondershare UniConverter and open Watermark Remover. Click to add or drag and drop your avatar video. The process is simple and fast. Click and drag to select the area containing the watermark, then tap Remove and Export. It will take a few seconds. If you have been paying for AI tools every single month, now check it out. The watermark is completely gone, and it appears as if it was never there. No blurred patches left behind like other tools out there. Go back to HeyGen and finish generating your remaining videos. Download each one, return to UniConverter, and remove the watermark the same way. And this works for images too. If you generate images on free tools and they come with a watermark, you already know how frustrating that is, and this tool removes that headache entirely. Now I have joined all these clips together into one video over 3 minutes long. No watermark, realistic avatar, natural movement, perfect lip sync, and all generated without paying a single coin. And if you want unlimited generations without paying, here is what you do. Log out of your current account and sign in with a different Google account. If you already have 2 or 5 accounts, that is a huge advantage for you. And if you only have one, go ahead and create more. It costs nothing, and it is entirely for your own benefit. Just like that, you have a fresh account with a new set of generations, and you can keep creating more videos without spending a single coin. And that is your full avatar system, realistic, talking, with natural gestures, built entirely for free. If this helped you, drop a comment below and let me know what niche you are building your channel in. Do not forget to check out Wondershare UniConverter to enhance your images and videos, remove watermarks, and batch process for better quality. I left the link in the description below. And if you are serious about building an AI-powered YouTube channel that actually makes money, join my community using the link below. See you in the next one.